121.6.
By the way, you know you don't have to put in the 1, right?
Yeah, oh right, that's right. Alright, let's go ahead and put the flight plan. Okay, KPDK 0 Alpha 3. Yeah, Smithville. I'm setting up my flight director, so we got the heading and the IAS, that's usually 100 knots, that's typically what we have. Altitude, so I'm gonna set our altitude. Are we heading westbound or eastbound? Which way?
Northwest.
So northwest, so let's do 4,500 then. Alright, maybe we can do 6,500.
I was gonna say, you're flying Bonanza, I believe it's 6.
What's that?
6,500 will put us above Chattanooga's airspace.
Okay.
Assuming you're talking about cruising altitude, not like initial altitude. I don't know if it'll be
yeah, we can, you know, pretty much by the time we get there, we can get it to 6,500.
Right.
Pitch ground, November 3197 Mike is at the west ramp. VFR departure to the north. We do have information uniform.
3197 Mike, pitch ground, runway 21 right, taxi to Alpha Crossway 4. Say your type aircraft.
For a Beechcraft Bonanza, Bravo Echo 36 3197 Mike.
Thank you.
Right.
Clear left, clear right, and ready to taxi.
So doors and windows, so I'll close this one soon, but I'll check this one. Okay, good. It's all locked. So we'll turn on the lights when we go up there.
650 Bravo Golf.
Nope, just brief the takeoff.
Full throttle. It's 2,700 RPM.
7043 run complete, ready for takeoff.
So we're gonna rotate. We're gonna try to pull around 67 knots and rotate at 72 knots. When we have no runway left, so we're gonna go gear up.
Yep.
And when we reach about roughly 400 feet or 500 feet or so, then we'll bring the RPM to 500 RPM.
We brief the normal takeoff. We're good. We got our speed 72, 100.
Right.
Those are our speeds. 72 rotate, climb out 100.
Right.
Alright, so engine failures at all phases of flight. Go.
Right, so we're gonna, if we don't have any altitude, we're gonna try to land straight ahead, or if there is a road or something, there's not a whole lot else we can do.
That's fine, taking.
If not, if we have altitude, we're gonna come back here and do our normal.
And really with PDK, it's really a terrible place for engine failures.
Yeah.
Honestly, if we do have something on initial climb out, we're gonna shoot for Claremont Road.
Right. Pitch ground, Bonanza 97 Mike, run up complete.
3197 Mike, pull up, hold short 21 right, line tower.
Full left, hold short 2 on the right, 3197 Mike. Alright, so the door is all locked, so we got all the lights and everything on, so I'll close this.
November 31997 Mike, pitch your tower, right turn north approved, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Alright, 2 on right, clear for takeoff, 3197 Mike, right turn to the north approved.
Sierra 1, Charlie, turn right on, Delta approved, short runway 21 right, clear.
We've got transponders,
hold short,
squawk
21 right, 1 tech Charlie.
Alright, power set.
Clear, midfield, 1
on center line.
Okay, so
Speed's alive.
speed's alive. 55,
Gauge is green.
60, 67.
Number 1, Tango
72,
Charlie,
100, rotate.
right, and contact
Rotate.
on the other side. The cross 21 right, and I'll...
So this one is a little harder to rotate.
Pitch your tower, clear,
Alright,
There goes our usable runway. Secura.
Gear up, landing lights out, taxi lights out.
Northwest and delete altitude restriction, I'll see you.
21 left, clear to land, clear, check to 0.
That's about 400.
Pitch your tower, you still want to do full stop taxi back?
No, just that one, we're going to stay in the pattern, so that's 67.
Alright, I'm gonna turn right to the north.
1067, roger.
Oh, so you keep it at wide open throttle, huh?
Yeah.
Zen 1067, make right close traffic, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
About 120 knots here.
Bonanza 907 Mike, frequency change approved to the north, we'll see ya.
Frequency change up to the north, thank you, see ya.
So we can go up to cruising altitude at 65. That's why 65 is a great number, because it keeps us below the Bravo and above Chattanooga's Charlie.
Approach Bonanza 3197 Mike, request.
The 313 Mike.
November 3197 Mike, we're looking for a VFR flight following to 0 Alpha 3. We are a Beechcraft Bonanza Bravo Echo 36. We will be cruising at 6,500. Just departed PDK. We're about 6 miles north of PDK.
497 Mike, what was your destination again?
0 Alpha 3, 97 Mike.
We're 3197 Mike, squawk 1163.
1163 for November 3197 Mike.
That is a wicked crosswind. Look at that. Look at that crab angle.
Yeah, crazy.
Number 3197 Mike, radar contact 8 miles north of Peachtree, altimeter 3000, stay altitude.
3000, we're at roughly 6,000, climbing to 6,500.
Remember, climbing 6,500, not climbing to.
Oh, okay. Not climbing to 6,500.
Approach to one contact tower 120.9, good day.
I don't say climbing because that could be like climbing to 6,000, right? Like 26,000.
Approach calls for 2.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying, yeah. Alright, so we are at our altitude 6,500. Let's bring it to... The manifold pressure is pretty much there. So I'm gonna bring my RPM
I was gonna say, like, wide open throttle, maybe 23 to 2400 on the RPMs. See if you can pull that power out of the engine.
Oh, do 23. We're very close to wide open throttle at this point.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I mean, you might
I'm trying to save fuel, dude. I'm just not a rental flight school airplane.
Say again?
I'm trying to save fuel.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay, yeah, that's right. Best fuel economy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm so used to flying just wide open throttle to get there ASAP.
I'm getting about 12.5 gallons right now, so that's pretty good lean. Look at my speed. I'm doing 165 knots through.
Nice. Autopilot worked beautifully.
3197 Mike, contact Atlanta Center 133.1, good day.
33.1, number 319 Mike. Anything you're saying will go on YouTube.
North. National altimeter is 3000.
No problem. I can't say it anyway.
I'm gonna do clearance, automated Unicom, 3 clicks abbreviated weather. So if you do 3 clicks on the Unicom, you'll get abbreviated weather, 4 clicks on the Unicom, full weather. Look at that.
Oh, interesting. Let's try that then.
AS Airport, automated weather
Smithville Municipal Airport, automated advisory, wind 290.
Delta 2465, opposite national approach 127.17.
Yeah.
So we're about 20 miles out, so maybe it's time to start some distance.
Right about now is fine.
I will do 4,500.
Yep.
Approach Bonanza 97 Mike, would like to start our VFR descent to 4,500.
November 3197 Mike, roger, VFR altitude your discretion, show no traffic between you and the airport.
97 Mike.
November 3197 Mike, D0 Alpha 3 airport, 12 o'clock in 13 miles, report in sight.
We have the
I'm
airport.
looking.
We don't have the airport inside. 97 Mike will report when we have it.
I'd probably bring the power back, slow down a little bit too.
11,000, still jet 521.
Make sure full. I'll keep the throttle for now. I mean the RPM there for now. I mean, so we are below 140 knots, so we can put the gear down to slow down if we need to.
November 97 Mike, do you have Smithville airport in sight?
We'll go ahead and cancel flight following. We'll just have airport in sight momentarily.
Number 3197 Mike, roger, radar services terminated, squawk VFR, change to advisory frequency approved, have a good rest of your day.
Alright, have a great day. Thank you so much.
I got it.
Yep.
Alright.
I got the airport.
Turn the autopilot off. Alright. We'll slow down a little bit and we'll put the gear down. Alright, we're below the gear extension speed.
Cool.
Alright, we'll put the gear down to slow down.
Good.
And approach flaps in.
Alright, you got the runway?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, we're still good, so I'm gonna do a little...
Okay, like longer downwind, right?
Yeah.
And Smithville traffic, Bonanza 3197 Mike is 4 to the south, turning 45 for the left downwind, runway 24, Smithville. You can just continue descending through the downwind.
Yeah. Alright. We'll do a little wide downwind.
Sure, that's fine. And Smithville traffic, Bonanza 97 Mike, turning airing left downwind 24, Smithville.
Alright, okay.
Alright, coming up on Dresden, just keep the descent coming. Smithville traffic, Bonanza 97 Mike, left base 24, Smithville. Alright, gas undercarriage, mixture props, throttle looks okay, seatbelt switches. Alright, slow it down to about 100. Really bring that power back, like 12, 13 inches. Really dial that back. Yeah, we're pretty fast. Remember, approach speed is going to be 100 on the Bonanza. And 90, 80 over the fence, basically.
Final?
Smithville traffic, Bonanza 97
Alright,
Mike. Short final 24.
500.
Alright, it's good.
Super high, just go on power idle. Idle.
Oh, maybe too much.
Yeah, we're pretty high.
Alright, about 90 knots. Oh, watch for the
Good.
birds.
Good. Alright, get us lined up
All
in center
right,
line
good.
there.
Full flaps.
Left,
Alright.
aerodynamic braking.
Alright, we'll slow down.
Oh,
I don't know if there's a taxiway.
nah, we're just gonna be back taxiing. It's a tiny
Yeah, I don't
airport.
think there's a taxiway here.
Nope. Smithville traffic, Bonanza 907 Mike, back taxiing, runway 24, Smithville.
Put the traffic, Bonanza 97 Mike, clear off runway.
Master,